man pito go embha go psia lani go cha select hapo yong kan ki agency woman kam ki trainees wo yo pichibon ki knowledge wo yo pichibon ki ki jingtem hejo ipole wo yo pi a wisdom ki jing start wo pi wo gi pi compete because we are now living in a world which is full of competition emi competition il de emi hakardan khnai pi em khanai pi betu yonga ne bha no sedang lesnea pi mem kam pendrong ne bha kat kam ka time schedule heninga kula mato 200 minute hen rem geo kwa uchem hado san nin ruminen chibon kentin kwa opachet ipi khenro ki khlot bude em hapo yong gani ka training center ngau khanai pi ka jinglau ti hejing im yonga hado kat ni de pendep ega master degree ha ka political science da deb le chibon ki professional course da tip hika munong hikai ngam ji to dukat wadep MA o hikai o ngah pendep ya ke diploma in education ke bachelor in education ile batok mana dep ayikini ki professional course yo cha select akau nong hikai but don't think that send the dep ayikini ki professional course wo yo ulai direct hitai kam yonga dang bon kita ki mojam ko nga hap kap o stepping stone ong kiki we have kan theory we have to jump over kate to leng bak select committee the selection board ukhanai pi hamut wa to dukat wa dep pi ke training dukat wa dep pi kerdan go pair wo yo pi sia hai kam sarkar de wasuk to bhagi lampas pi ye katai ka board ko da do check ki do sli ki do em ka interview ko pai ki wo yo ki wanga qualify na to be a teacher ka tel man ka jing how khanai phi hamut wa to debe ye kata ka master degree wa to ngau yo direct kai before ha ka parthai ko rim the old era the old generation gem how yo kam kino kai even in the private school even the government school, jotip yu hikai LP, UP secondary school, high secondary school, depi kerdan go pair. Dang MG ada matric go yo hikai LP school. But this new era, the era where the competition is very high, the competition to he bhago. Hamod the depi kerdan uyo hikai bha. Happen depi ka professional course kamo awepi. Pi the depi kin training to mod pi to depi training yo ki pi. Dang bon jet phaim kam but still fight nya da mana kau nong hikai le dang bon ki training I have lie why because I need to refresh and to renew with this new generation a world of technology ku em kam I technology ne te da hab em kam ki training ni ki time na ka por from time to time hab duk ulai training Self suk self komeni wo yo to pigam get trainees the yacht pigam get training. You have learned something, but what you need to do is you have to impart it in a very disciplinary servicing. Happen em kam piga hagata ka pen em kam de em pen yo piga ta akor brom. Snau pi gram yo hai akhmat yonga even o pastor dong. Ta man pigi bru go tip u em ka ta jing em go em akor em brom. Yo sub opai kerkam go motto. Pi let kan mo you should live with your own motto. Have em go motto pi. Not only a motto but you have your own moral in life. Have em pi go moral le. Go motto heni yo wa perkat menta naga bynta kalaway ka pernai. You have to think of today, but not only of today but you have to think of tomorrow, a future, a better life. Haperkat pi ka man red le o kam nu impi kani ka training e ki pi to wo perkat pi ni benta yang ka man red kam wo ong wa to dukan dep ka training to yo ki pi sa so mp po yung kan agency which have been recognized by the home police of the government of Meghalaya. They are recognized ko naga government of Meghalaya. We siang suk ila siang sarong ni wo to kani to man go ka number 1. The one and only agency that provide a training to the youth of our state, a district, and a country as a whole. Saya komen wow yo wa em kam kan ki agency wow e training iki kon kyong i hakamen rate kamen kawi. Wai im kajing im ko buram. Im kajing im ko em akor. Tipi when you live a life of disciplinary or when you serve your service with a very disciplinary servicing, it means that you serve to a man and you serve to a God. Service to man is a service to God. Kata tak kajing im ko ongi, kajing im ko em akor em buram. Tang ho im ni ka parthai kat ni, jan yo bai piyo na kan ni social media. The only technology that can spread the information fast and make the world a very near to our own. Thap ikato apok katayong idane. Em gawi ka yo hapok social media. Nga ko mayabhay ka joong ka she's a queen of heart. A queen of the world. The tip ikateto a Miss World of 1994. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Em ikan tin lang dep kelamut kau ni wadep hapo social media wa yo wa em kai kini hi kijai parade. Which bynta ko in front of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. Em ikan tin wa ongo. We are living in the world with one caste or one tribe, and that will be a caste of humanity. We are living in the world, a place where we have only one religion, and that religion is the religion of love. And we used to speak with one language, and that language is the language of heart. Why all these? Because God is omnipresent. When we said omni means for all and everybody, for all and everyone in the whole entire wide world. Chimney gini contain ko kalam gani ko angka a queen of the world, a queen of heart. Kateto Miss World 1994 Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Nga tentu jori piwaro wa pen emkam di social media in a right way, not in a wrong way. Mana pen emkam pi social media hakaluti ko wamian yo pi chibon ki jing tip yo pi chibon jing start. Nga siya komen wa ka social media kan nito klan ba ko spread. Wai ra ki jing tip le ko sma ba yo. Le perkhadi ka perthai ko rimen red le ong pen tipe inai ni hai tai le chimpor ki ulai tham pa tham din pa din tok pa tok. Step by step we have to move. Step by step, we have to go. It will take too much time for us to complete a work. The people need to complete 1,000 life. 1,000 life. And make sure that this task will be a very a beneficial one for you. As you completed it, and make sure that you will use this task as a good work for your own future. But I've seen that you have taken your oath. That chimpile ya kas bam sama yong pi. And when you taken your oath, it means that you remember the name of God. Can move here to young Blei. Because He's the only way. And He's the only one. The only Almighty God who can guide us, who can lead us in a good, a better futures of our living life. Nete daw sambha, way ele kajing kerku hajo ipor ele kajing sangwok yung piko krotam to yo Blei kamwong upastor hachwa yung e. Imhi tau imha perthai klan kan mo ye nam ye pertut yong kanran uta to Blei wa khlet tam o to ya luti. This is not your plan, remember that. It's a God plan. Awap sia phe nui thau aw empi ha kan nu ka chlem ong ka ha ka ten pra ru baka yong e ka chlem ha po yong ka chlem ye yo ta ka jing hikai ko pher Wo I na do isneng ikro, wo I hado jing tip jing stan, wo hikai ile kam nu imi ke jing im go met ko ba perthai, kate to ka chlem ong ika, ha ka ten pnar pakka ki ong I. How MPA nu I thau le ka chlem kan mo to wa, this is not your plan, it's a God plan. The God pick you up from home. Transfer we pay to hagata tau wo pi yo pi I jing miet le ni jing ba tangam pen jerongo sel sok owa ke moto kawa kanik agency M ko kat kami klam yang managing director to protect the people, to protect the properties and to protect the information. Ngai a bon sen yo kam hakapathai le ne hakapor yong kini kani to ka ayom yong kani ka talang. Kawa in each and every WMK function like faith, bon sen jo yo could ki security guard to na kani ki agency MPSS. Ngayo suko to warok ki security guard, they are very disciplined. They are very disciplinary in their action. Tipile ong they are very disciplinary in their action. Yen ki hakmat hai ni. Jangan the life hi hakan nuk fet yo ba pingau yu ngal to view man kau master house yu de perlai ba e house hi fet go bon ne te da and be able to witness the labor yo o yu ye kam yo ki le ong to disciplinary action I kam yo ki pen yo ki khman yin ki ni man em ki pai ba tim mai ki ko take it but still then kita man ki they are very attentive. Wai ji kila ya cha ita jing klam yang gitu ile tu ro tau da yo I ka jing sikai da yo ka training ko paka tu to ngai ro ba wa em ka agency da yes keep you pen yo yang ta disciplinary manners, the disciplinary action wai wo ro I ka mi wale yong pi money you play in a very good role. Live your own role and live a very disciplinary life. Im yong pi ka kam yo pusikai we im jing im wo em akor em borom. The chwa pukut e klam yonga the cheme por rong e pim klam lu so minen. Ta ro klam chibun ki contain. You man talk within 10 minutes maybe. Boy you pentam le. The chwa wo pukut ro. Yo wadang bun I jing em kam yong kan ka thau. Kat kam mo pha o MLA nga wo wan chimenta hai ni wo yin hai nam I patut yong o. Ông lệ và lệ mi nuôi jing em kam nhong kata ke agency nei benta wo pen miet pen bha ya ka thau ka bhau le nik jing rap ông yo wa he le nei ki wasian wo pat wo yo ya kata ke agency wo tho de jing tho ling ba yong pi wan pen tip yo ye pat kat kam I bor kat kam kata bor wo ye pen jo pen jan penjam yo ye rap I ye kan ni thau kata to ka jing pentem takat pat ya uma pi muksor ling bai jing tho yong pi sia ba peng kret ngau ria I pi yo ye chemo MLA yong I yong constituency yong I ka 6 clear we nui wo em kam han to I wo khen le yo ye rap to ka jing ye rap man ko to ka jing ye rap hi the chwa pukut ye klam yong the kublai ko krotam nei benta ki instructor ki gurus ki we rap ko kamnu wo snei yo pen yo ye ki trainees tibi aling ba yong ki instructor ki gurus ko em heni man ki to they are the good teachers, they are the good mentors who can motivate you all and shape your life. Kita wo motivate ye pi hai jo ipor kita wo shape le ne wo seindur ye kata ka jing im ki yong pi hakaman red. We are very grateful to all of them. Kita man ki kichrat ba. They are the strong pillars. Kan mo. Wow you shape la they open one door ka jing im ki yong pi. Nay te pay respect and pay tribute to all the instructor and the teacher as light what I am. Yeu ong kila kam kinong hikai. Hai jo ipor ka ktin hi. Ha ka ktin yong I warok ko bi ki India. With a very what wo ye ong hiningan ye wo ye re kulam Hindi tang ka to man ka official language yong ka ri ki yong I ha tin Hindi ong kita ki gurus to hinong Ngai Januari bhi ni la ong piki gurus. To dam to. Yiu dam te bo. To kata to kentin ko I happen em kam ni benta. Kinong hikai le ni kinong sikai kiong I. To dei ni kentin chima gani ka buk share. Wo khut wo kubai. Ye nam ye pertu yong tri kirot kenrat. Wa kletam. U Blei. Wa kaman. Wana din. Wa em hachro hakadung yong I. O em lang chero I ni waro na dok ki be ki pa yo nang ye ku pen he pen san ni ki kon ki yong ki de we em lang he ni kwa ku sakhi lang ya kata ka buram ku kro yong ki kon dia training nei te ki wa he ki wa sen na do pastor woman u hakmatam yong ka niam ku kom yo nang ye pela ye ka niam ku kom perlok ki wa wan ki em lang chero I ni he ni to yo I ka met ka phat ku chai ku nang ka dok ka pran ku klan pura yo ye pen dep jar gamram. Kwa fulfill your dreams kyong I by performing our own responsibility, our own duties in the right way. So in the name of God, ini kan teru kado uang imsok imsign kit bokin kit wiang ye agency ya uman ko kunang ye upan kro pen kamaye kam bichakaman che jar mo.